How do I remove the cover from the temperature-controlled pantry drawer for cleaning?
What's the brand and model of your appliance? How old is it?
Sears Kenmore Elite French Door Refrigerator. Model No 79,573,157.610. It's about 5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Kenmore refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
I have never been able to clean under that cover. It's really nasty and the refrigerator smells for the last month.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. Does this parts diagram help? https://www.searsparts.com/model/439OI5ZGKW0005883/Kenmore Elite 795731576110 refrigerator parts.
Veg crisper bins. I've looked through the manual and I see nothing about removing the cover from the temperature-controlled pantry drawer to clean under it. Here's a picture of it's under the dress.
It should just be a matter of lifting the front then pulling it out.
I can get the drawers and the glass shelf out. The problem is between the plastic and metal strip.
Is there anything that is preventing it from moving like an item?
It's all clipped together with plastic clips I've broken two trying to separate them. Apparently it's a design flaw.
That is unfortunate. Maybe the next step would be to call Kenmore. 1-800-88-KENMORE.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.